Hip-hop is everywhere, but how do creators stay ahead of trends instantly? I just discovered 3 AI tools that predict what's trending before it explodes. Let me show you. K-pop trends move fast. By the time you see something trending on TikTok, thousands already have. AI tools give you predictive edge, identifying emerging sounds, choreography styles, and hashtag waves. Creators and small businesses using AI trend detection capture audiences 48 hours earlier. That's the difference between viral and invisible. Start with AI trend trackers like Tracklists and Discov's AP-powered tools. Upload K-pop clips, get real-time trend scores. Then use ChatChopClub to take K-pop clips, get real-time trend scores. Then use ChatChopClub to analyze emerging concepts. Paste trending audio metadata, ask what's the next logical content angle. Creators report 3x faster content ideation. Takes 5 minutes, saves hours of guessing. Use Runway AI and Synthesia for quick video creation. Generate K-pop style thumbnails with Canva iBuy. For audio trending, Tracklove identifies licensed K-pop samples legally. These tools compress production timelines from days to hours. Freelancers using this workflow charge premium rates because they deliver faster quality content consistently. Monitor trending with TubeBuddy's iKeyword analysis hype auditor for K-pop influencer tracking and Socratic Iber comment sentiment. These reveal exactly which K-pop angles resonate with audiences now. Small businesses use this data to time campaigns perfectly, avoiding content that's cooling off. Hit subscribe for weekly AI tool reviews. Comment, which K-pop trend do you want AI insights on next?